Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams, the Vantrue N4 and the PRUVEEO D90-4 carbon monohydride. Get ready for some serious comparison action, folks.
Let's kick things off with the most important aspect of any dash cam, video quality. The Vantrue N4 boasts a stunning 4K resolution for its front camera, paired with a 1080p rear camera.
That means you'll capture crystal clear footage of license plates and road signs even in the dark.
And speaking of dark, the N4's infrared night vision will make sure you don't miss a thing, even in pitch black conditions.
Now let's talk about coverage. The Vantrue N4 is a triple threat, featuring a front camera, an inside camera, and a rear camera. With a 155 degrees front camera, a 165 degrees inside camera, and a 160 degrees rear camera, this dash cam has your vehicle completely covered.
It's like having 3 pairs of eyes on the road. Alright folks, it's time to dive into the world of extra features.
The Vantrue N4 comes equipped with a 24-hour parking mode, which means it will keep recording even when you're away from your vehicle. It also has a supercapacitor that can withstand extreme weather conditions, making it perfect for both hot and cold climates. And let's not forget the G sensor that automatically locks footage in case of a collision.
It's like having your own reliable witness. The Vantrue N4 is considered a good upgrade and one of the best 3-channel dash cameras available.
The PRUVEEO D90-4CH is praised for its design, quality, ease of use, and ability to transfer videos to a computer. Both cameras have received positive reviews overall. And there you have it, folks.
The Vantrue N4 and the PRUVEEO D90-4CH, duking it out in the dash cam arena.
Both of these cameras offer impressive features and top-notch performance, but it all comes down to your personal preferences and priorities. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for more information on these products.
And as always, let us know in the comments which dash cam you think deserves the crown. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.